Let's see what we got in here. Somebody sent it to us. Damn. Wow, everything is falling apart. Somebody sent me this to repair. Always big challenge. What do you guys think? It's fixable? Watch until the end. Let's get it. Screen is ripped. Wire is already here. So we're gonna take the Face ID, transfer the new screen. And from camera, we're gonna take the main board here. We might need to put new battery as well. A new frame, because this frame is broken and bent. Screen is ready. We're gonna do surgery now. Guess where I'm taking him? For ice cream. Gonna go crazy now. Tell them, what do you want? Tell what do you want? Anybody there? Look, anybody there? What do you want? Ice. What do you want? Ice cream? Want ice cream? What do you want? You want ice cream? Anybody there? Come on, man, where are you?
What's up, brother?
Good, how you doing?
Good. What's going on?
Who wants ice cream?
What's up, Ice? What's up, buddy?
Where is my ice cream?
What's up, buddy?
Give me something, please. Alright, let's see. How long is it gonna take for it? How long is it gonna take for it?
Not even 10 seconds, man.
Easy. Oh my gosh.
Number one customer right here.
Spoiled boy, right? That's enough. Okay, that's enough. Surgery time. The bracket and the screws are missing on here. We're gonna put new one. Damn. Wireless charger is broken too. You cannot wirelessly charge this iPhone. It's ripped. And we might need a new battery as well. Other thing I realize here is this red sticker. It means it got water in it. It's water damage as well. Damn, Daniel, you did everything to this phone. How do I fix this bent? Watch. Nope. Alright, I got a new housing with the wireless charger already, charging port and camera installed. Now we're gonna put his main board, front camera and new battery and close it, and it's good to go. Treat time for Ice. We need some break with him. Right, Ice. What do you say, people following you? Subscribe the channel. Yeah? That's what it says. Make sure you like, follow, share and subscribe. Ice will be mad. Right, Ice? I even changed the red sticker. Shh, don't tell Apple. This was missing before. I'm gonna put it for him. Your phone is ready, sir. Can I get a wow? Look at that. Look at this. New housing, new screen. What do you guys think? Wow.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.